Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create a citation for Microsoft Word. In this example, we're going to be quoting the great DJ Khaled, where he always says, "We the best music." So we're going to go ahead and create a citation for this. So what you need to do is you need to head over to the References tab on your ribbon, come over here to Insert Citation, and then you should have the option to go ahead and add a new source, or you can come over here to Manage Sources. It's essentially the same thing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and select New. And then once we do that, we're going to get the option to go ahead and choose what are we referencing? What is our source? So I'm just going to go ahead and select a website. The author is going to be DJ Khaled. I think his real name is actually Khaled. And name of the website, it's We the Best Music. Or name of web page, rather. We'll just put the same thing for the name of the site. This is going to be in 2026, but he's been saying this for a long time. For this, we'll just put January 12th, and then URL is wethebestmusic.com. All right, and now you see down here on the bottom left, that is going to be our tag name, DJK26. So keep that in mind. We're going to see it again here soon. So we're going to go ahead and select OK. And now we've actually got our citation added for DJ Khaled. So what we need to do now is we have to go ahead and apply it in our documents. Let's go ahead and close this and then come over here. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to apply it to the right of this quote. So let's come over here to Insert Citation. And now you can see that citation is actually here, the one that we created before. So let's go ahead and select it. Okay, and now we have the DJ Khaled citation here for his quote, "We the best music." Now what we want to do, we would actually want to add a bibliography. And typically you're going to do this at the very end or to reference your references, but you're usually going to do this on the very last page. So let me go ahead and break to the last page here. And then we're going to come over here to references again, and you're going to see bibliography. And then if we hit this little drop down arrow, you can see that we have some different options available to us. And we just kind of go ahead and select the style. So what do we want to use? Do we want to do works cited? Do we want to do references? Or does bibliography? So I'll just go ahead and select bibliography. And you can see right here, it went ahead and provided the citation that we created before. So it's DJ Khaled, 2026, January 12th, We the Best Music, retrieved from We the Best Music, wethebestmusic.com. So that is actually how you're able to create a citation, to go ahead and add your citation to the quotes or whatever you're referencing. Maybe it's a study. And then at the very end, you can go ahead and you can place your sources or your bibliography.